What if the early signs of addiction are already there, but most people don't recognize them? Addiction doesn't usually start suddenly. It develops gradually, often with subtle changes that can easily be overlooked. In this video, we'll explore 3 common signs of addiction that many people ignore, and why understanding them early can make a significant difference. One of the first signs of addiction is loss of control. This can look like using more of a substance than intended or continuing a behavior longer than planned. For example, someone might say, "I'll only have one drink," but end up having several. Over time, this pattern may become more frequent. Loss of control also includes difficulty stopping, even when the person genuinely wants to. This happens because addiction affects the brain's reward system and decision-making processes. The brain begins to prioritize the substance, making it harder to regulate behavior. It's important to understand that this is not simply about willpower. It reflects changes in how the brain processes urges and rewards. The second major sign of addiction is increased tolerance. Tolerance means that over time, the same amount of a substance no longer produces the same effect. As a result, the person may begin to use more to achieve the same feeling. For instance, what once caused relaxation or pleasure may gradually feel less effective, leading to increased consumption. This happens because the brain adapts to repeated exposure. It becomes less responsive, requiring more stimulation to produce the same level of dopamine. Tolerance can be dangerous because it increases the risk of dependency and other health consequences. Recognizing this early can help prevent further progression. The third sign is neglecting responsibilities. This can include missing work or school, withdrawing from family and friends, losing interest in hobbies or activities. As addiction develops, the substance or behavior begins to take priority over daily responsibilities. Activities that once felt meaningful may no longer seem important. These signs are important because addiction often develops gradually. Recognizing early warning signs allows individuals and families to seek support before the condition becomes more severe. These signs are important because addiction often develops gradually. Recognizing early warning signs allows individuals and families to seek support before the condition becomes more severe. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it to help spread awareness about addiction and mental health. And remember, recognizing the signs is the first step toward recovery.